Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to explain why I stopped trading meme coins and why I started launching them instead. Because I realized that in 2026, deving meme coins is far more profitable and way less riskier than trading. And I've personally made hundreds of thousands of dollars personally. Whatever you do, don't leave this video early. If you want a chance to get a free sol, keep watching closely. I'll be doing random drops of one sol for several lucky viewers when you least expect it, so stay locked in until the very end.
I have made all my money from launching meme coins. You guys know how I do it. And as promised, I will get to showing you the method. But first, just another example of how deving is not the best thing to do right now. This is a really interesting chart because if you look, initially there was a little bit of action. And then there was nothing for ages and ages and ages. Then you got this tiny little period right here where it all really kicks off and you have got that little window of opportunity. Only in those 4 hours are you really going to be making any kind of money. But what if you have got a life? What if you have got things to do? You cannot sit there for 11 days trying to figure out whether it is going to go up or down. And when you are guessing, especially when it can turn around in just one day. Now look at these P&Ls here, some of the top traders. These guys have incredible rates of P&L, and the reason for that is probably because they either are a dev or they know a dev. Even though meme coin trading has become insanely popular nowadays, you guys have to realize that most meme coins are straight scams. All they do in most cases is obviously pump and dump. I can show you several different examples, but you guys need to understand that most meme coins are going to end up going to zero. It is exactly how meme coins are built. You can go on any coin, bro. They will eventually dry out and go to zero. Now, I am the one launching these coins and making thousands because I make money from my supply, which I sell from the top, and I make money from the creator fees, which come from every single transaction. I take a cut for myself. And that is why deving is so insanely good, okay? I will show you how to create coins in this video. I will show you everything from start to finish. Keep watching, it is going to be insane. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Now, launch memecoin.io. This is the platform that we are going to use to launch our coin, okay? This is important. We are going to launch our coin on launchmemecoin.io using a bit of Solana with no coding required. Now, when I launch my meme coins on chain, I have a different approach than most people. Most people make their coins on Pump.fun. It is the most popular for selling on the meme coins. Now here's the problem with launching coins on Pump.fun. Most meme coins get no buyers. They go absolutely nowhere. No one sees them. No one buys them. And that is because it is oversaturated. There are too many coins launching on Pump.fun at once, and most of them go nowhere. So that is why I launch my coins on Meteora using Dynamic on Axiom, okay? Now look at this, $72,000 on that coin there, $338,000 here, $539,000 there, and then a few lowers. Of course, there is going to be some losers, but look at this, 33 million. Most meme coins on Meteora absolutely rip. As you guys can see, the results speak for themselves. By using this launchpad, your meme coins are going to go to Meteora. Now here is exactly how to make a meme coin on Launch Memes. You have a couple of strategies, right? Some people like to use the X tracker, which is completely free, right? And they can turn tweets into meme coins. So for example, this one right here, you could turn it into a meme coin. Just put a name, symbol, and choose an image, and it is live from a tweet. Or you can use their custom creation coin system, where you can turn your own narratives into meme coins, right? Another great option, just like Pump.fun, or you can use my personal favorite strategy, which is copying coins. I have made all my money from this method. It is the same exact thing as vamping. Every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.fun. They are all proven, right? And they have all gained hundreds of buyers on Pump.fun, which means they have good narratives and everything. So we are going to be copying one of these coins to make money from that copy for ourselves on Meteora. Now I have got just over $100 worth of sol inside my Phantom wallet. We are going to connect our Phantom wallet there. If it is already on your browser, it will detect it automatically and do that there for you. Click on refresh, and now we can copy a coin and see if our copy could work. So go for anything. They are all good. They all have good narratives. I'm going to pick this one because I want to, okay? And that is just to prove that any of these coins are good. Now initially, you are going to get this request block thing. So just click through the confirmations there. This is a normal part of the process. I have to do this every single time I set up a wallet. I have to set up these wallets fresh so we can show you the whole process. Give it a couple of seconds for it to show up. Boom! Now we have created our coin and it is minted on Solana, okay? And if I open SolScan right here as proof, you can see it was minted just a few seconds ago. Everything is completely on chain. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, you will see the full 1 billion supply sitting right there. but right now it is not on the market because it needs some initial capital. So what we are going to do is put a bit of SOL into our coin, and that creates a liquidity pool. Let us create the liquidity pool. Here is where we need to select Meteora, okay? Our coin will launch on Meteora. It has more volume of buyers than Radium. Now just follow along, okay? It is really simple. For the coins or the supply, click on 90% and make sure you click this preset for every single launch. There is a reason why this preset is automatically here. It is the best. Click on that. For the SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.2 to 1 SOL. Anywhere in between that is perfect. You are not going to lose anything. This is just to seed the supply. At the end, when you cash out, this will come back, bro. It is not a big deal. Trust me, you are good. Before creating the pool, there is one step most people skip, and it is important. Get your coin more visibility on trading platforms like Axiom, Dex Screener, GMGN, and Birdeye. So for this, go to promotememes.fun. Your coin will be promoted on multiple trading platforms. Let us do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your package. I am going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for max reach. You can choose anything, just make sure you enable include free website. That part is very important. Upload your logo, set your token name, select Meteora, choose your theme, and confirm. Now click pay and promote. Your wallet pops up again, same process. Click confirm. And that is it, you are done. Now watch this. Within seconds, it builds a clean website and starts promoting your coin to thousands of traders. And boom, the website is ready. Open it and you will see a proper landing page with token details, tokenomics, and chart links. Now go back to launch Memecoin.io. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just give it a couple of seconds. Bang, click on refresh, and boom, now it is live. You have your P&L counter right here. You have everything that you need for your coin, right? Let us go see the chart. Some people use Axiom, Nova, Photon Terminal. Just go on the chart and go find your coin. Okay, it is important to see if your coin is doing well or not. As you guys can see, right now it is doing well. It is pumping, okay? Things are going insanely well for us. If you come back to the website and click on refresh, you can see how much we are up already within seconds. We are up to 200 bucks. This is our profit right now. Now, it should be a bit less, but it is not a big deal, bro. Let your coin pump. Do not cash out. Do not be emotional, okay? Let the coin pump. Even if it goes to zero, you are not losing anything, okay? And that is the beauty of creating coins. Now, when I come back, I will show you how to cash out. So, enjoy the show. Guys, I am back and we have nearly 100 times our initial investment. That is incredible. And yes, bro, we are going to cash out right now in front of you, okay? Come back to launch Memecoin.io. Now, let us give it a refresh and see what we are at now. We are looking at, ladies and gents, 2.8K. So we are going to pull all of that out of the coin now and put it straight into our pockets. Click on the minus button, do 100%, right? This is how much you want to take out. I just do all of it. Do remove liquidity. Bang, we just cashed out. And look, here's the proof, guys. 2.6K in your Phantom wallet. Okay, it went down a bit, but it is not a big deal. It is still profit. 35 SOL in our wallet. And if I open the chart, you can see we pulled the liquidity. It is fully repeatable, okay? You can launch as many coins as you want. You might make more or less than me. I am not guaranteeing anything, but that is exactly what makes this so fun. Launch Memecoin.io will be linked down below, bro. Good luck and stay consistent.
If you want a chance to win free SOL for your next launch, here's the last giveaway winner, and here's how you can join too. Subscribe, drop a like, and comment DevMemeCoin below. I'm giving someone a boost to help fund their next coin project. The winners will be revealed inside my Discord and Telegram communities, so make sure you join both. If you're not following there, you won't qualify for the giveaway.